Hi my YouTube friends, and welcome back to my channel. I am Dee and you are viewing the How To Lady. So we're going to dive right in. In this video, Chef Mike will provide us with some helpful kitchen information. So if you're interested, please stay tuned. And we're going to get this ball rolling and we're going to knock it out of the park. Hi my YouTube friends. We are back in the kitchen of Chef Mike. He is going to provide us with some very important information today, so stay tuned.
Good evening, sports fans. It's Chef Mike, and welcome back to Chef Mike's Kitchen. Trivia time. Why do chefs wear gloves? A, we don't want to wash our hands. B, our hands may get cold because we're handling frozen items. Or C, to stop the spread of harmful bacteria in our kitchens. Okay, sports fans, if you said C, that is the correct answer. Staphylococcus and Salmonella are two of the leading bacteria that's in our kitchens today. So if you said C, good job. See you next week.
Thank you so much for watching, my friends, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.